Everything we use in this video is free, except for the hosting with Hostinger. But if you use the special link in the video description, you'll get an exclusive 10% discount on your hosting plan, a better deal than what you'll find even on Hostinger's homepage. Let's select a hosting plan and domain now. So to get your additional 10% off, and to get a free domain, click Claim Deal. Here we can see the Hostinger plans. While the business plan does offer a few benefits, you can always upgrade later, and everything I show you in this tutorial, you can do with the premium plan. So I'll click Choose Plan. On this screen, you can select your hosting period. Choosing 48 months saves you the most money by locking in this rate, but 12 months is still a great deal to get started. You still get a free domain, and I'll click Continue. Next, register with Hostinger by creating a username and a password. Once you've registered, enter your billing address, followed by your payment information. Then click Submit Payment. Once you've paid, you'll land on the Hostinger onboarding. To save some time and skip the onboarding sequence for now, let's click on the Hostinger logo here up at the top and go straight to the Hostinger dashboard. Confirm by clicking Leave, and now we're on the Hostinger dashboard. In our to-do items, you can see that we need to verify our email. Let's open our email inbox in a new tab, find the Hostinger email with the subject line, Verify Your Email Address, open it, and then click Verify Email. That will complete the verification step and bring us back to the dashboard, so we can now close these other two tabs. Now that we've verified our email, we're officially done setting up hosting. Next, let's choose our free domain. And our domain is simply the name of our website. For your website, it can be anything you like, as long as it's still available. Click Claim Domain here. Ideally, you pick something short, memorable, and a .com domain that's still available. I'll go with HWP Tutorial 2, as in hosting our WordPress tutorial, and then click Check Availability. When you find something available, click Claim Domain. Here, you may be prompted to enter your contact details to register your domain. And after you do that, it's important to verify your email address. Let's just do that now so that we don't forget. Open your email inbox once more, find the new email with subject line, Verify Your Email Address to use your domain, and open that. Then click Verify Email. Once verified, you can close these two tabs. Now that we have set up our hosting and we have our domain, it's time to install WordPress. Click the Continue button here to get started. Next, we want to create a website, and if prompted, click Continue Setup. Your website will be for you or your business, and we want to create a website. Click Next. Here, we'll choose to build with WordPress. And then on the next screen, you'll create login details for your WordPress account. This is the account that you'll use to manage your website. Click Next. Here, I'm going to choose Create Blank Site. Don't stress if this screen appears slightly different for you, or if it prompts you to choose a theme in order to continue. I will show you how to change the theme later, so for now, choose the default theme if you don't see a blank site button. On this screen, we want to select the domain that we just registered. So I'll pick mine from the dropdown. And then you want to select the closest data center to your audience. The default is usually fine here, so I'll leave mine as is. Once that's selected, I'll click Install WordPress. And this will usually only take a few minutes. Great. Now we've arrived at the WordPress admin dashboard. This is your website's backend, the place you'll come when you want to make a change, publish a page, or install something new. You will land here in the Hostinger section, so let's click Dashboard, Home. Before we start designing, let's clean up these tiles and messages so that your WP admin dashboard is free of clutter. I'll dismiss the welcome banner, and then I'll open screen options. Here, I'm going to uncheck all of the screen elements. You can always add ones back in later if you'd like. Then, I'll collapse my screen options.